So like we said before the break, not a lot of snowfall so far, but that's expected to change with higher accumulation, and really those dropping temperatures are going to be a really big factor here. 13 on your side, meteorologist Colton Woods is going to explain this for it further for us. Colton, what are we expecting?
Yeah, so right now we're starting to see that lake effect snow ramp up. It was fairly light through most of the daytime hours, but with that Arctic front moving through, that's when we'll really start to see the snowfall rates heighten. That's why your 13 weather ball is blinking bright. We have more snow showers in sight. It's also blue. Cooler temperatures are in view. We'll stay in the teens throughout much of our Monday, but feeling well below zero throughout the day. This view brought to you by LaFontaine Ford of Grand Rapids. Live view right now in Walker, it's definitely snowing out there. We have that band really moving over the central portion of Ottawa and even just to the northwest of Grand Rapids. With an air temperature of 13, but notice the wind chill. It is feeling more like -2 along the lakeshore and including us here in Grand Rapids. 13 is a number here in Grand Rapids, 14 in Holland, and 18 right now in Muskegon. So it is cold. With temperatures this cold, do keep in mind salt really doesn't work out there. So we're expecting icy conditions on the roadways tonight and lasting through much of the daytime hours tomorrow. Feels like temperatures, it's pretty close to zero, pretty much area wide. Feeling like -2 in Grand Rapids, 1 degree in Kalamazoo, 4 degrees in Muskegon, and feeling like 0 right now in Holland. Really not much improvement. The Arctic cold front will move through overnight tonight. And look at these feels like temperatures throughout the daytime hours tomorrow. Feeling like below 0 all day long, continuing into tomorrow night. That's when the core of the cold will move through with actual air temperatures likely in the single digits late in the day tomorrow, continuing into Tuesday morning. Because of that, we do have that 13 weather impact alert in effect between now, lasting through Tuesday morning for heavy lake effect snow showers and frigid temperatures. We will feel like below 0 throughout much of the daytime hours tomorrow, and at least plan for extra travel time if you do have to head to work or school tomorrow. And I do imagine at least most schools will probably be closed, and be mindful of that cold with temperatures well below 0. The National Weather Service also has a winter storm warning for areas pretty much along into the west of US 131. Winter weather advisories, though, to the east of Grand Rapids, where we're expecting less snow, but still travel impacts are expected, with strong winds likely blowing in those snow bands further inland throughout the daytime hours tomorrow. The snow band is starting to ramp up right now. You can see some snow is moving across Lake Michigan. That acts as a cedar feeder mechanism for this lake effect snow band. You can see it's pretty heavy, extending from Holland all the way through Ottawa County, just to the west of Walker. Grand Rapids downtown isn't seeing the heaviest right now, but this band will continue to spread inland over the coming hours. Also seeing moderate snowfall currently in Muskegon right now. That Arctic cold front will slide through this evening. You can see widespread snow will be pretty likely. Heavy at times, reducing visibility overnight tonight, continuing into much of the daytime hours tomorrow. The morning commute, simply put, will be treacherous tomorrow. So do keep in mind, give yourself plenty of time if you have to head to work tomorrow, and even continuing into the evening commute, especially along the lakeshore. We are expecting low visibility and blowing and drifting snow, which will make travel pretty treacherous across the area. This is how much snow we're expecting generally along the lakeshore, probably 6 to 10 inches of snow, possibly localized heavier amounts, especially over Ottawa and also Allegan County. Less snow, though, the further east you travel, generally 1 to 4 inches expected there. On top of the snow, we are also expecting strong wind gusts. This will really become a problem tomorrow morning. By 8 a.m., you can see very strong winds, upwards of 40, if not 45 miles per hour, which will create blizzard-like conditions along the lakeshore, especially through much of the daytime hours tomorrow. And believe it or not, this is just the first shot of cold air. We'll have even colder air probably move in later this week and continuing into this weekend. The polar vortex will be here to stay as we approach this weekend with daytime highs probably only in the single digits. Tonight, though, we have that winter storm warning along the lakeshore. Expect briefly heavy snowfall at times. Temperatures will be cooling into the teens, so icy roads are likely all night long. Your 13-hour side 7-day forecast shows heading into Tuesday morning, we have that 13 weather impact alert for very cold air and also heavy lake effect snow. And that will be blowing and drifting. And then, Josh, believe it or not, I hate to say this, look at this coming weekend, -6 for a low. And that might be conservative. It might be even colder than that.
A lot that we're going to have to be looking out for. Thank you so much, Colton. Appreciate it very much. Well,